So, this is WFX and Luca, and in this vlog, we are taking you to Romania on a private jet.
It's not meant to turn like that.
Fucking sick car, eh? And then the price formed a double top. We got pulled over with the Brabus for speeding. Where we're gonna drive 10 or 8 supercars. Supercars. That is waiting for us over there. So this vlog and this series of vlogs is gonna be super exciting. Just watch until the end of the video to see all the things that's gonna happen throughout the trip, yeah?
I confirm.
Oh my God. Owen, we have Owen Morton in the house. What do you have to say? Are you excited?
I'm very excited. Nothing like going away with your pack of dudes.
Yes.
Fucking driving supercars all around the world.
Yes, sir. Let's get it.
Let's do. I confirm.
That's what he has been saying the whole time.
Where you going? Where you going? I'm a G, so that G spot is where I wanna be.
I barely fit to the jet. What is this? It's unacceptable.
We have some champagne. The boys on a business trip. We got champagne, we got whiskeys.
And there's not allowed to sit on this seat here, right? On this couch. You're not allowed to sit in this particular seat, right there. Because if you end up in an incident, you will smash your head off the wall.
I mean, right?
No, what do you think about it?
May I offer you a name?
You can only shut me up with champagne.
Good morning, gentlemen.
How are you?
Have a nice flight.
I heard man when I chat and chit. I come through like what's good is.
Another fact, I'm really scared of flying.
It's not meant to turn like that.
Bro, shut up. Shut up. Guys, so while we're on the jet, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over and do a watch check. So we're gonna check on everybody's watches, right? We're gonna start with Andrew. Andrew, what do you have on your wrist?
Tattoo, baby.
Woo! Shit! What we have on the wrist?
Owen's gift.
Owen's gift, Patek. Wow. Here we have Daytona.
I'm naked.
He's naked. Gary's naked. Next up, we have
Just a little something.
little something.
Daytona. Yellow gold.
Little something. Jason, what we have? RM.
First RM with an in-house movement. Chronograph. Flyback.
Nice.
Wow.
That's crazy. Little something.
Also chrono, because we're on a drive.
Sentimental
Oh,
value
nice.
made by titanium.
Did you get your Rolex as well or no?
Same thing, no. Same thing that
I have
remember what was
I have the usual. Steven, what do you have on your wrist?
Right here.
What we have on the wrist? Little Hublot. That's a nice set of watches that we have on the plane. Got that on camera. Got it on camera.
He's doing this up.
So, we have finally arrived to Bucharest, Romania. We have arrived at the hotel. Yes, let's do a room tour, quick room tour. Okay. Solid room here in Romania. Let's check out the view that we have. This is gonna be our view. It's solid. Welcome to Romania, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, because I didn't tell you, we came to Romania to do a road trip to Budapest. And now the cars are unloading and I want to show you how it looks. We have 812 super fast here. Then we have 911 Turbo S. Then over here, come here. We have the car that I'm gonna be driving is AMG GT Brabus. We have BMW M4. We have Ferrari F8. We have Lamborghini Technica. And then we have 3 more cars coming out, which are 911 GT3, Lamborghini Urus Performante, and then some other super fast car. So that's what we have going. Hey guys, if you want to hear the cold start of 812 Superfast, Listen up. Fucking sick car, eh? What's your most favorite thing about 911 GT3?
How fucking raw it is. There's no back seats, everything's carbon, there isn't nothing's automatic, there's no fucking sunroof, none of that sexy shit. It's just raw, ready and ready to go.
Let's get it. Track car. Good morning, champs. Just woke up. It's a new day. Yesterday my camera died, so couldn't show you anymore, but me and the boys, we went to have a dinner, and then we just had some drinks, went to sleep around 1 a.m. and now it's around 8 a.m. so I'm gonna wake up, get ready, go get some breakfast, and it's Monday, so I'm gonna go look at the charts, check out the charts, maybe take some trades, and also go to show you the cars, the fleet at the hotel lined up. Bunch of people are lining up to look at it. Bunch of people are lining up to take pictures. So I'm about to let's get out of this bed and I'll go get some breakfast. So I was looking through the charts and I see a lot of good setups for this week. So let me show you some setups that I have picked out, and I also opened a short trade on Aussie JPY. So I'll go over that as well really quickly. So here we see GBP JPY trade. What I noticed was that the price was moving higher here with higher highs to higher lows. And then the price formed this double top, which I really liked, as you can see this line right here, because it formed a high, it moved lower very quickly, and eventually went to get these stop losses out of the way with this wick to the upside and then drop. And now we have the break of the structure to the downside. So we have the break of the structure from this higher low, break there, and we have a lower low and lower high with also another break of the structure to the downside, showing me a bearish market trend. Now we also have distribution supply area, and this is where the price is going. Also, if we look at the right, it is morning, and it's also already up 0.62%. So I don't think it's likely that it's gonna continue much higher, or even keep the same price, right? So I think this could be in a nice area where the price can reject and go to the downside. So I'm gonna set alert on this and then wait for it to confirm. Also, very nice setup on US 100. On US 100, also 0.57% up. Plus, we have the war in Iran, which I don't see the US 100 or US 30 or stocks or crypto going up anytime soon. So fundamentally, it is also very bearish. If we look at daily time frame, the previous daily candle was very bearish. If we look at 4-hour time frame, it is also super bearish. And if we drop to the 2-hour time frame, we have two moving averages cross one below each other. So 20 is below 50, another bearish sign. And then we have a fair value gap, which is right here, right? We have I think it's not 30 minutes, it's 1 hour fair value gap. And now the price is currently at this fair value gap, also rejecting the 50. So I have all these confirmations lined up one after another. So I really believe we might see some rejection and then drop from this area to the downside. So I'm going to monitor this closely and look for potential short opportunities. And lastly, I have Aussie JPY, which I'm in this trade. I'm in profit right now. Also, if we go to the daily time frame, previous daily candle, super bearish. Break of the market structure. If we go to the 4-hour, it's more clear. We have lower lows and lower highs on the market structure. We hear lower lows and lower highs. Price continuously going down. We also have a 4-hour resistance, right? This was a fake out resistance. Now it's then support and resistance. So we have a strong 4-hour daily time frame zone, which is rejecting. Also, it is morning and it's up 0.76%. I don't think it's going to be able to hold, right? JPY is being a safe haven currency. So I think in these economic and political moments, I think people are going to be relying on JPY and it's going to show some strength. So also dropping the lower time frames, 2-hour time frame, 20 moving averages below 50 moving average, and 30-minute time frame, we have this nice supply area. So as soon as the price rejected strongly from the supply area, this is where I entered the trade, and we're currently profit. So my target is the next demand below, and that's where I'm going to be holding the trade. And for now, I'm done.
I marked up my charts, I set my alerts, I opened one trade, and I'm gonna move on with my day.
Right, so the cars are set up and I want to show you what we have here. So, Porsche GT3. Jason in the car already, revving up the car. Ready? Ready? Let me hear it.
You had a good night.
Let me hear it.
The car?
Yeah.
She's a little cold still.
Here we go. 911 Turbo S F8 812. Of course, Brabus, my baby. Lambo Urus Parf M4, and the fastest car here, which wouldn't seem like this, but M8 is chipped, is the fastest car over here. So we have all these cars. We're gonna go to have some lunch, 2-hour ride. Look at how beautiful Romania is. Look at this building. What the hell? We're all here with the cars. Wow. Wow. Look at this view, guys. I didn't know Romania was this beautiful. All right, we have arrived to some car park. I still don't know why, but we'll see. I'll take you with me.
Jumping, flexing around. I just want to know.
Hey, 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 yeah, oh, whoa.
It's physiotherapy for my recently broken arm.
Look, let me show the scar. Let me see the scar. Sheesh.
No more arm wrestling for us.
Two acoustic gentlemen dancing. Guys, bad news. Luca is driving. Oh my goodness. If I get home safely, I will be very happy and very proud of Luca. You wanted some content? Here's your content. We got pulled over with the Brabus for speeding. So, why? Why? Maybe you could just let us go. Yeah.
We know, we heard.
What? YouTube. My Instagram is right there on the. Yep. I got a new follower. Police officer just followed me. And I posted something about them on the story. Should I delete it?
No.
Alright, let's get going.
He knows you did.
Thank you guys and sorry.
Thank you.
Since you got pulled over and I know you're stressing, let me give you some calming melodies of Brabus.
Please. The original one.
The original one.
Beautiful.
Let's see if this is gonna make a different sound. Whoa! Now I'm gonna drink more and let's see if this is gonna be different.
Alright. Agreed.
Whoa! €50. This is gonna cost you. Also guys, we have another bad news because we are going to Mercedes Center because we really played too much with the engine and see what happened. Do you see what you did? Bad Luca. Bad Luca.
Same shit happened to you also, it's fine.
Yeah. We're just not taking care of this car. We're using it to this potential, to max potential.
No, using how it's supposed to.
Exactly. Also, guys, I forgot to tell you. Let me show you something. I opened 2 trades today. One was a loss on US 100, right? So I lost $3,500. But then on the stories I said, let me try to open this trade while Luca is driving. I'll open my laptop, see if I can find another setup and get back my loss. And I did. $10,000 win on $3,500 loss. Do you see this?
Now, considering that
engine broke. We lost some time there. We lost some time driving to Brabus service center. We lost some time with the police. Now then, considering that you lost so much money not working, if you calculate how much you're working for this trade, you did it like in what, 3 minutes?
Right. It was
3 minutes,
literally-
10K. So calculate your hourly rate and how many trades you could have done
Right.
while they stopped you.
But at the end of the day, quality over quantity. So it wasn't like I'm forcing it. I really saw the trade. Also, all the political tensions that was happening in the world. I knew that New York Open is not gonna be positive for the US stocks.
How you turn that laptop to a drop top? How you don't fit in, but you be standing out?
We're here in the Mercedes. We said the car broke down. Maybe we just buy a new car and we solve the problem. The only problem is we would have to break it down for 2,000 kilometers before we would actually speed up. But this could be a nice option, huh? That's a new one, I guess. AMG as well. That's very nice. Wide interior. So what do we do, boys? Let me know in the comments. We buy the car or we wait for Brabus to get fixed? That's the issue. First world problem, eh? Oh, it's only, guys, in Romania, cars are so cheap. It's only $112, 170 cents.
Yeah, euros, okay, a little bit more.
170 cents.
It's weird.
What is
It's weird how they describe prices.
yeah.
So who are we to judge, right? If we want to buy this car,
Why did they write the zero?
And 170
Why
cents.
why 100 cents?
Why didn't they just write 113 euros and then 70 cents? I don't know.
I don't know.
But who am I to judge, right? Who am I to judge?
I figured it out.
Oh shit.
I was out there inspecting the car, okay?
Right.
And
We were driving, yeah.
correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
The car was working perfectly fine yesterday.
Yeah, true.
Okay. I was out there inspecting the car,
Yeah.
and it turns out it's the Dell VFX sticker.
Oh, wow.
It's the Dell
Because of
VFX.
the VFX sticker, the car broke down.
Yeah.
100%.
It was
100%.
There's a scientific proof that the car was working yesterday. And today, everything was the same, but one small thing, one small fact, let me show you. Let me show you what happened between yesterday's drive and today's
What
drive.
happened? What happened?
What happened is an important
Let me see.
fact that
I need
Gary
to see.
actually discovered,
Okay.
which probably destroyed the whole engine,
Yeah?
right?
It was the cause of engine failure,
One
yeah?
small fact, it's on that side.
Caused.
Follow me.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. This did not exist yesterday when everything was fine. Today,
You too. You
Gary.
also think.
Extra weight, maybe.
Gary discovered
Extra
this.
weight.
It's not the weight.
So
it's
the
just
car
like,
broke down because of
it's
this.
fucking karma or something. I don't know what it is.
I don't know. I don't know.
I'm just speaking facts.
Guys,
And Gary, thank you for discovering.
while you're here, follow. But
I'm a mechanical engineer. I know these things.
oh my god. It's the extra weight or what?
No. It's the inflated ego.
I feel you watching me pull up across the room.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am back in my room. It was a long day, eventful day. We're down 2 cars. Porsche GT3 is down. Brabus is down. Both are in service. Hopefully we can fix them tomorrow so we can continue our road trip. If not, then we're gonna have to be sharing some cars. Either way, we're gonna continue this road trip. I'm gonna continue documenting everything, so make sure to subscribe the button so you don't miss on the new vlogs. I think we're gonna have some crazy, more fun the next days, and I'm gonna be recording everything, so make sure you don't miss anything. Click that bell, like the video, comment down below what you think about these types of videos. And this was WFX. It was a pleasure, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.